Alright fam, we're back. Had to mute the mic for a minute. Best phở, phở Di man. Phở Di is my favorite. Phở Di, phở Tony, phở 95. On Faro, phở Di, phở Tony, phở 95. Yeah, I met my friend inside. Know that dude for like since middle school. Everywhere I go around, gặp sao á? Everywhere I go, I see people I know, man. It's good, poor Judge, man. Now this one, I came up with the design, dude. Take the bus there, bozo. It's good, Ollie Sam. Best phở, phở Di, 95, phở Tony. All Faro. What up, what up? Alright, let's get straight to it, fam. Got the sugar cane juice. Oh yeah, let me go live on my second phone, huh? Since I'm a live stream specialist. I'll go live on TikTok as well. What up, what up, what up? Bánh mì. I can't read it, man. It's big though. Alright, we're just gonna pick one. So one is combination. The other one is what is the other one? Barbecue pork? Yeah. Alright, let's do this one first, huh? Alright, let me highlight this part, huh, fam?